Okay, we are the Play Show, and I want to introduce this tool. This is a hammer. It's like a lino. We make it like a lino, and actually we have a plier here. A plier. Release it, and then we can use the plier. This is no hurt here. You see, and here actually we have a fling, and a fire starter. And we have many tools here. Actually, all tools in lock. All tools in lock. You see, lock system. And this will come with a bit. Yeah. You can use the bit in here, and then okay. All this stock is now available on Amazon. You can check out our brand on Amazon, Roxon. Then you can find this tool. To do the we call it H1. Okay. Yes. This is our Phantom tool. Many people like this tool and already know this tool. Okay, I will show you here again. Actually, it's very easy to open. And this, and we come with a real scissors, full-size scissors. See, and we have one hand deployment, and the tools lock and releases the other side. Yeah, and also these tools comes with a disc piece group. And okay, and we have a quite big place here, and this place lock can switch very easy and safe to switch other tools, other place. We have 17 different places can be switched. Even you can switch this one, the box cutter. You see? Here we go. Yeah. And all displays can switch the folding knife, the single knife. You see? We can take it out. Yes. And here. Oh. Yes. There we go. We have a single knife, single blade knife.
Okay,
Thank you. Thank you.